So you want to know the secret to great coffee at home. All right, well, you came to the right place. I'm George, Brews and News Coffee Reviews. Let's get started. So welcome back to Brews and News Coffee Reviews. I'm George Bachara. We are here in my kitchen because I'm asked a lot, what's the secret to great coffee? I mean, it's no secret that I used to have a cafe in Boca Raton called Brews and News, hence the name of the channel. And I got that question a lot. We had really good coffee back then, not to be bragging or whatever, but we heard a lot from the customers that used to come in, and they would come back over and over, what's the secret? Well, there's the same secret in the cafe that there is in your house. Okay, it's not beans, it's not the brewing machine, it's not whether or not it's pre-ground or whole bean or any of that kind of stuff. The real secret, and you're gonna really be surprised, I feel, is water. A little H2O. Okay? Water makes the difference between a good cup of coffee and a lousy cup of coffee. Okay? If you use water out of the tap, you're gonna have like a tinny, metally kind of flavor to it, like a minerally flavor that you're not gonna get with either, bottled water or water in a filter or whatever the case may be. Have you ever gone to a cafe and like you go there and the coffee's really good and then all of a sudden it stops being good? Well, there's a reason for that. Their water filtration system probably needs to have the filter changed. A lot of them use reverse osmosis, and after a while, of course, you're using the thing over and over again, the filter needs to be changed. Well, that's why on Tuesday, the coffee was really good. And a week from Tuesday, the coffee's just And then a week after that, the coffee's really bad. Okay, that's because they didn't change the filter. So the same thing happens at home too. If you're doing tap water, or you don't want to use filtered water because it's too expensive or whatever, you're just wasting your own pleasure. I mean, it's worth it to buy either a bottle of water or a case of water, or buy what I use, which is one of these Brita filters. Okay, filters the tap water. I pre-pour it overnight, so that way when I wake up in the morning, I can't see straight because I'm so freaking tired. I just grab the pitcher, put it in whatever I'm going to brew, either an espresso or regular coffee or whatever, and then it's ready to go. I don't have to think about it. So if you want a great cup of coffee, ditch all the expensive equipment and get yourself some bottled water. Okay, if you want to buy this Brita filter or anything similar, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. In addition to some other great things that I use at home that make me really want to have coffee at home rather than go out. I'll link in beans, I'll link in all kinds of great stuff that I use at home. But anyway, if you do nothing else, get a Brita water filter or buy filtered water like in the bottles, bring it home and make your coffee with that. So this is George, Brews and News Coffee Reviews, and we'll see you next time.